Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change hair color in Adobe Photoshop first. Open your image in Photoshop. Then, select the lasso tool from the toolbar and create a loose selection around the hair. Don't worry about being too precise at this stage. Next, go to the Select menu and choose Select and Mask. In the Select and Mask workspace, change the View mode to Overlay and increase the opacity to 100%. This will help you see your selection more clearly. Now, select the Refine Edge Brush tool from the left toolbar and carefully paint around the edges of the hair to refine your selection. This tool will help capture the finer details of the hair. Once you're satisfied with the selection, go to the Output settings in the Properties panel. Under Output, choose Selection and then click OK. With the hair selected, click on the group icon at the bottom of the Layers panel to create a new group. Then, click on the Layer Mask icon to add a mask to the group. Now, click on the Adjustment Layer icon and choose Hue Saturation. This will create a hue saturation adjustment layer within the group. Drag the saturation slider all the way to 80 to desaturate the hair color. Next, go back to the Adjustment Layer icon and create a Levels adjustment layer. In the Properties panel, adjust the mid-tone input level to 0.85 and the highlight output level to 145. These adjustments will help blend the hair with the new color. After making the adjustments, close the Properties panel. Now, select the Brush tool from the toolbar. Choose a soft round brush, set the opacity and flow to 100% and make sure the foreground color is black. Select the layer mask of the Hue Saturation Adjustment layer and carefully paint it with black to erase any parts of the adjustment that have spilled over onto areas that shouldn't be affected. This will help clean up your selection. And that's it. You've successfully changed the hair color in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching.